Expectations. I think setting the proper expectations are so important in your business and personal lives. I'm Kelly Augsburger with Steadfast Insurance, and I'm going to explain what you can expect if you're applying for life insurance right now and buying tips during COVID-19. 1. There may be new application questions such as, have you recently been on a cruise? Have you been in contact with anyone who has been diagnosed with COVID-19? Have you been tested or treated for COVID-19? Expect a postponement on your application for a certain time period if you have. The important thing is to be honest on all application questions. Disclose medical conditions and travel plans. If you have any symptoms, disclose those ahead of time. Withholding information or dishonest answers on your application can impact payment of your death benefit. Number 2, don't be discouraged if you need to take a medical exam. If you are required to take a medical exam, it will be completed by our third-party exam company, Exam One, who is following CDC guidelines to ensure staff and clients are protected during the pandemic. The exam usually saves you a lot of money over the life of the policy versus a guaranteed or simplified issue policy where no exam is required. Number 3, postponement for international travelers. International travel is a significant concern for life insurers. If you've recently returned from international travel, expect your life insurance application to be postponed for at least 30 days. If you plan international travel in the future, expect your application to be postponed for at least 30 days after you return. Number 4, no contact meetings and e-pay policy delivery. Prior to COVID-19, we've already been doing a significant amount of our insurance via phone, and video conference at Steadfast, and we will continue to do so. You should be able to do an electronic signature for documents and receive your policies by email. Number 5, financial strength in a company. One thing that hasn't changed is the importance of buying from a company that's financially strong. Since you'll likely have a life insurance policy for many years, a solid company is crucial. We only recommend carriers that have strong financial ratings. Number 6, there's no reason to wait for coverage if you need it now. If you have financial dependents and you don't have coverage or you're underinsured, which many Americans are, please consider buying life insurance to help financially protect them. You can still apply online. Unless your health has been adversely affected or traveled to certain regions, you likely won't have your application affected tremendously. 7, work with an independent insurance advisor. Each insurance company is handling the pandemic differently. It's important now, more than ever, to have an advisor who can shop around and make sure the company you choose meets your needs. Here at Steadfast, we are familiar with different companies' policies and can help you find the one that best fits your individual situation.